replacing a crash safety module on the headrest on a BMW 750 G12 chassis. You can see here the charge has been detonated and we push the headrest forward. To remove it, you first have to remove the rear cover. There's 3 detents, one in the middle, 2 on the side. To remove it, you put your fingers on the inside, pop one side, pop the other. So just sit back. Try to get it as far back as you can. Second step here is to give yourself some slack for the harness that connects to the charge. What you do first is snake this over like this. There should be another holder on the bottom. You pop that one out. Normally this would be connected. On some it won't. Depends on how the charge detonated. But if it is, it helps to have extra pigtail to undo the charge. Next step is this little detent here. You pop it forward and spin clockwise, and that releases the charge. You continue to unscrew until it unscrews on the headrest back here. Once it releases, then you can pull it back and out. There it is. New one. Obviously it's not detonated, so it's still compressed. So it does take a little bit of a different procedure to install. Keep your pigtail out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and there's only one way to put this in, and this is your alignment dowel on the corner. Once you find the position, you just go ahead and slide the unit back in and push it as far as you can. Okay, here comes the weird part. There is a locking mechanism that locks the headrest from retracting back in. If you look down here, you're gonna see a white plastic piece with a spring attached to it. It's really hard to see, but we're gonna pull it down with our finger, like so. And back here, we're gonna put a small screwdriver to hold it in place. With that lock out, this unit will now slide in. As you slide the unit in, you're gonna have to turn counterclockwise the unit here, as you can see on this side. So as we step closer, it goes, oh, too far. You're gonna push the unit as far as you can, bring it closer, and it's supposed to twist and turn in. Here we go. Once it engages, it should turn. There we go. Once it's all attached, this tongue will be back in place. That locks the charge in its correct clocking. You can now then remove the bottom screwdriver, and that's going to lock the headrest in its ready to eject position. Now route our cable back through the top loop and the bottom. Okay. Finally, then we can connect the connector. After it clicks, and finally, we can now put the back cover back on. To do so, you lift up higher. You latch the first top detent in, and you put your fingers on the side here to open up the side detent and just work it in.